This is the Sailor Pro Gear transparent fountain pen. The pen comes in a cardboard sleeve that slides off. Inside is a blue leatherette box. It has the Sailor logo embossed in gold on the top of the box lid. The interior of the box is a fabric, gray colored with the Sailor logo on the top of the box lid. And we have the Sailor Pro Gear transparent fountain pen. Underneath the false bottom of the box is information about Sailor. There's also a couple of Sailor ink cartridges for the pen, as well as a Sailor converter for bottle inks, and also the warranty guide for the pen. The Sailor Pro Gear transparent fountain pen has a Clear Demonstrator cap and barrel. It has silver colored trim on the pen. There's the basic silver clip for the pen. It's attached with a ring at the top. On the very top of the cap is the Sailor logo in a black background. There's a nice large band at the bottom of the cap that is engraved with Sailor Japan, founded in 1911, and a small ring at the end of the barrel of the pen. The cap is threaded. It will unscrew and it will post on the end of the barrel of the pen. The section of the pen is also silver on the inside, so it's wrapped in a resin, clear resin, but you can see the section underneath in that the metal silver colored. The pen comes with a 21 karat gold nib that is dual color or dual tone. It has a little silver and gold. It's rhodium plated for the silver color, and it has a black feed on the back. It is a cartridge converter pen, so the section will unscrew from the body of the pen, and you will be able to insert either a Sailor ink cartridge or the Sailor converter that came with the pen to fill it with ink. Sailor is just a great brand, Japanese product that makes some fantastic nibs and fantastic pens. Get your Sailor Pro Gear transparent fountain pen at penchalet.com.